Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the induction motor. Okay, so let us detailly discuss this induction motor in the upcoming slides. So before going into today's topic of induction motor, let us recap the previous things that you have seen in the previous classes. So we have deeply discussed about the BLDC motor in our previous session. In BLDC motor, why BLDC motor is needed and what are the components that has been involved, their working principle, constructions and their applications, advantages. So these are the things that we have detailedly discussed in the previous sessions, right? So now in this session, we are going to detailedly discuss about the induction motor. So as we are taking this session in terms of a DT manner, so we will see the first stage of the DT related to this induction motor, why this particular induction motor is needed and what are the necessity we will see in the form of an empathy. So we need some motor which have or which has a tendency to work in the heavy load applications, and that particular motor should be a reliable one. It should have some life in these heavy load conditions, and it also should produce efficient power when compared to the other motors, and it should be a cost effectiveness when you compare to the conventional DC motors. So these are some pain points, and this we need to address, and we need to represent a motor to overcome these pain points. So for that we need a motor which gives good performance, high efficient power and suitable for the heavy loads applications. So for addressing all these pain points and issues, yes, we can use the induction motor. So this induction motor can be used in heavy load applications for the purpose of rotation. We know that motor it just converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. So in heavy mechanical applications, even in EVs, we can use these induction motors. So Tesla normally use induction motors in the earlier stage of their EVs. So components, we know there will be a stator and also there will be a rotor. In stator the windings has been given, and rotors carries the magnetic part. Just a simple construction of this particular induction motor. So this is the working of induction motor. We can see that the green color part, it is nothing but the stator, in which the windings has been done, and then rotor. We can see that rotor, which is a rotating part. A rotor, there are two types of rotor available in this particular induction motor. Here the squirrel cage rotor has been presented, as you know. So this particular squirrel cage rotor, it contains the magnet. When the stator has been energized with the electric current, the electromagnetic, due to the electromagnetic induction, so this particular rotor has been rotate, and by that we can say that the electrical energy which is given as an input to this particular motor is converted into the mechanical energy, and the same has been taken as output for our applications. So we know that this particular induction motor, it can be used in the heavy load applications. So it has more reliable, and it can be used in the heavy load applications. So these are things that we have seen: the core attributes, the main components, operations, and the conducts. So before winding up this session, let us summarize the things that we have seen so far in this video. So in this video, we have detailedly discussed about the induction motor, where in first few slides we discuss about what is the induction motor and why we need that particular induction motor. Like we need some kind of motor for the heavy load applications, so we can use the induction motor for the heavy load applications, and it's a reliable one, and also it provides the efficient power. So this kind of things that can be achievable with the help of the induction motor. And later we see about the components of the induction motor, the different components involved in the induction motor, and also its construction part, and also it working part. So these are the things that we have seen so far in this video. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.